Dear students, we from Bioscience Wala launching new video of 8th standard Maharashtra State Board. Student, before starting videos, I request to all of you, if you not subscribe our channel, please subscribe to get more videos and updates. Students, today we are going to start our first lesson of our textbooks, that is living world and classification of microbes. From title, you know very well what we are going to understand and which topic to we go to understand. Students, before starting to understand this topic or this unit, there is some questions are asking, which is under the heading of can you recall? Can you recall? These questions are very important questions, students, because these questions will help you to understand the further topic, and this question is also help in checking your previous knowledge, because it is based on your previous standard. Student, first question is there, that is, what is hierarchy for classification of living organism? Student, what is mean by hierarchy? Hierarchy means a grouping of living organisms. A grouping of living organism from larger group to the smaller group. Hierarchy for classification is for what? Hierarchy for classification to understand the living organism and their properties. Student, you know very well, it is very difficult to study and remember all the organism in this living world, because large number of organisms are present in our surrounding or in this world. So this classification is very helpful to understand the living organism and to remember the living organism. Different scientists have used different criteria to classify. Hierarchy of classification of living organism was suggested by or was given by Carl Linnaeus. Who was the Carl Linnaeus, student, you know? Carl Linnaeus was the person, he was the person who has given the binomial system of nomenclature. Carl Linnaeus in 1735 give the binomial nomenclature. For what? To identify the living organism, to classify the living organism, to understand the criteria of the classification of the living organism. Why it is called as binomial system of nomenclature? Students, you studied in the previous standard. Yes. Every and each organism under this system of the classification gives two scientific name. Yes, this scientific name is genus and species. Every and each living organism is known by these two names. These names are genus and species. So, this system of the classification is very helpful to understand the name of the living organism, to identify the organism in this world, in this living world. So, I will define here what is meant by hierarchy of classification. Yes, hierarchy is form in the classification that start with the kingdom, and kingdom is further classified into groups and subgroups, which is on the basis of their similar and different characters. This is called as hierarchy of classification. This hierarchy of living organism is represented by largest group, which is at the top, or the first group or first rank of the classification, that is kingdom. And this kingdom is classified into phylum. Phylum is classified into class. Class is classified into order. Order is classified into family. Family is classified into genus and species. These two names, that is genus and species, is called as scientific name of the individual or species or the organism. Now, I hope that you understand first answer of the first question, students. Second question is also there, to which I have already defined the living organism. Already teach you, that is, who invented binomial system of nomenclature. Yes, who was the person? That is Cornelius. कॉर्लिनियस जी, ये वही शख्स है जिसने हमें बायनोमियल सिस्टम ऑफ नोमेनक्लेचर दिया. ही इज आल्सो कॉल्ड एज फादर ऑफ टैक्सोनॉमी. थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड our previous knowledge. Which level of hierarchy are considered while writing the name in binomial nomenclature? I just told to you kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species are the rank of the hierarchy for classifications. In this rank or in these groups, there is only two names are used, that is genus and species. Genus and species are the level of hierarchy that are considered while writing the name of organism in binomial nomenclature.